Welcome, fellow model raritors. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be showing you and letting you hear how the new speaker sounds in this Bowser RS3. You can see I've got a Scale Sound Speaker RS3L speaker right there, and it's not in the engine yet. I'm going to give you a chance to hear what it sounds like before the changeover. And hopefully, I have some other Bowser RS3s here. Hopefully, I can do an A-B comparison of one against the other. So let's start it up. I think the Scale Sound System speaker will help. As it heads off into the sunset, let's take it over to the workbench, tear it apart. I'm not going to make you watch me turn every screw, but I'll show you some of the steps involved. Come on back over here. Come on. Alright, over to the workbench. As I said earlier, I'm not going to show you every step of the way. I've taken the shell off. I just had to remove 2 screws and pry the underframe from the shell a little bit. Here's our speaker. There's 2 screws. You can see them on top of the magnets. And let me see, where do they go? So I think what I'm going to have to do I can either try and pry apart the casing here to get at the wires, or I can just cut them and splice on new wires for our speaker. Let's see how that fits. So it's going to go just like that. And I believe, I guess I'll turn it this way. I believe in the photograph online, Scale Sound Systems just has a piece of Kapton tape going across, holding it in position. So I'll take the speaker apart and bring you back. Okay, here we are, all done. Pay no attention to the EMD SD40 over there idling away. You can see the new speakers in place. I added a little bit of spare wire that I had laying around. I need a little bit of heat shrink tubing and a little bit of soldering and a couple inches of Kapton tape over to hold it in place. There's our old speaker right there. As you can see, it's a pair of sugar cubes and a very small, what do you call it, enclosure, chamber. This has a single sugar cube, slightly larger, but a larger and deeper, I think, enclosure. Here's our part number right here, RS3L Bowser. I've got 2 more Bowsers to put these in. So far, I'm guessing I've spent about half an hour on this. Yeah, so I think that with a little bit of experience, you could probably do a conversion in about a half an hour. Now, just slide the shell back in place, put my couplers back on, screw those in, and I'll be done. I'll see you over at the test track in just a second. Okay, here's our CP RS3 with the Scale Sound System speaker all installed, and that's what she sounds like now. hit the bell. Let's turn the bell off. And here's what I have the CV set to right now. Alright. Now, to do an A-B comparison, right next to it I have a B&M RS3 from Bowser with the stock speaker in it. And I think the volumes are set to the same level. I'll move this guy over. Okay, now we have both of them idling away. And here's the B&M one. I'll push the bell and the horn. And let's move the CP engine. Let's give it a little bit of throttle. And the B&M engine, a little bit of throttle. We'll turn off the B&M engine. Just the CP. Going away from us. Come back here. So now we have just the B&M engine. And now both of them. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. I've got two more Bowser RS3s. I think the B&M is going to be the next one to get a scale sound speaker. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up down below. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, make them positive. Leave them down below as well. Take care now and have fun with your model editing. Bye for now.